let's haul some logs. You hear me? Hey, let me get on down here, y'all. Y'all know what I'm getting ready to do, man. It's your boy Big E, and we logging, man. Alright, y'all. 4:42 in the morning. And sure, we headed to Yazoo City. It's down to, the thing said 13 degrees right now. Still got a little ice on the hood a little bit. But hey, nevertheless, they called me that morning and said that the woods was ready, the roads was clear, and let's haul some logs. You hear me? Hey, let me get on down here, y'all. Y'all know what I'm getting ready to do, man. It's your boy Big E, and we logging, man. Oh, man. Got to be careful out here, y'all. Got ice on the road, man. So, you got to be careful out here. Ain't nobody flying too crazy, but you know how some drivers are. Got to be more careful out here. We here to get that load. You hear me? Maybe when the sun come out in the first, things will still start melting the ice. As of right now, it's saying it's still 12 degrees, so it's still pretty cold. But we're gonna see how it goes. It's icy all up and down this road. Ice all over there. Gotta try to stay in between the ice. Doing about 61. An old freight shaker right there, boy. Alright, y'all. We almost at the woods, man, and as y'all see, it's ice and snow over the road. And I'm hoping when we get to this big hill that it's not like this, because it's a big hill that I'm finna get ready to go down and I don't want to slide. Let me see, can I mount the phone right there? Sorry if it be shaky, y'all, but that's the only way I can mount the phone right now to see. We just trying to creep on in. We just made it up that big hill with no problem. Actually didn't spin out 9 times. So, but the problem they're having in the woods is that the fuel filters keep clogging up, keep gelling up. So they had to go get some new fuel filters, and hopefully that be, you know what I'm saying, the end of the problem. Hey, we out here, man. We out here, y'all. Loaded and all, man. I told you, man. We gonna do what we gotta do out here, man. Y'all know what we doing, man. We loud, everybody. Well, y'all, we made it to the mill. And we're getting this thing unloaded. Now we're gonna head up to Brian Woods and pick up 2 loads from him, then we're gonna call him today. Hey, we getting it done by any means necessary, man. Big international doing big things. You hear me? You keep pushing, you keep striving, the dream gonna come true. But you got to stay motivated, man. And you can't take no 4 ounce. It's your boy Big E. Y'all know what we doing. We logging, man. All right, y'all. We back over here in Brian Woods now. That 8-ball up on the loader with that blue Freightliner with the 14 liter in it. It's muddy out here, but nevertheless, we gonna get a load. 8-ball said that's his 3rd load right there. So they doing pretty good out here, you know. Yep. The Pine Wood. All right, y'all. We down here in Wiggins, Mississippi. Finna drop this load of logs off. We got some pine logs on the back. I don't know if y'all can tell, but we're gonna go back and get some pulpwood. We're gonna call it ready to pull up on the scale now. Quick, and we gonna get unloaded. Ain't no one truck ahead of me. That means we're gonna be in and out. You hear me? That's what you want, baby. Well, 2 trucks ahead of me. But let me get out the truck, y'all. Go check in. I'm gonna get back with y'all. All right, y'all. We just checked in. As you can see, they got the waggon unloading down there. See it? Picking it all up at one time. So that means it ain't gonna be no wait time. By the time I get out and get unloaded, get unstrapped, he's gonna pick that load up off that truck. He'll be working well. Look like that truck in front, directly in front of me. He just not getting his first strap off. So it ain't gonna be a long wait. I love this kind of stuff right here. You ain't got to wait long. When you ain't got to wait long, you can't go wrong. Come on. Get it done. It's warming up out here, y'all. Leaf River down here in New Augusta, Mississippi, with a load of pulpwood. I've been hearing.
Slow us down, baby.
I've been hearing some chitter chat on the radio.
Hey, get here like everybody else.
Something about a crane down or something. I don't know.
Got one more truck in that little way. Alright, we're gonna hang in there.
I don't know what we got going on. Hopefully we'll figure it out, y'all. There's always something, man. All right, we rolling up to the scale. Let these drivers get checked in so we can check in. And I can tell you now, ain't gonna be a line. I can see already it got a line back over there. So
I reckon they shut the wag down.
we probably gonna be here a minute.
Yep, that part. We're going to try to figure out how to get in this list.
Yeah.
Like y'all need to go around there and get in the back of the line. Deal. Come on, stay here an hour just like y'all have.
Alrighty, we just weighed in at 82,100, and from the sign of what's going on the CB, you got the east crane down, which is on this side over here, and everybody going from the east crane to the west crane, and the wagon is not going, from what I heard. So we probably should be here in a minute, man. But it's part of logging. It's part what you got to do. It's just you got to deal with it. You got to suck it up, buttercup, and you got to do what you got to do so you can make your money, man. But yeah, this mill here is inside Leaf River GP. Yeah, pulpwood mill. Yeah, it's gonna be a minute, y'all. But it's gonna be all right. We're gonna make it do what it do. We're gonna set in some long lines. Yep, it's pretty long. They lined up all around there, so hey, it is what it is, y'all. Yeah, give me time to put this video together. Find something to do to make the time pass. And again, it might not be too bad, long of a wait. So as of now, we gonna do it. That's nice Peterbilt, that red and white right there. Y'all see it? Not this Mac that passed me.
Where you at over at Bucky Shot?
The red and white peak going up through there. Alright, YouTube. As you can see, it's finna be 6 o'clock. We still haven't got unloaded yet. We're 3 trucks away from the crane. So we're just gonna end this video with this, man. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. And see, it was daylight when I made it. Now it's dark and I'm sitting here and still I ain't got unloaded. That's why I tell you, man, when you become a logger and you want to drive one of these log trucks, you better have patience. And you better have a lot of things to play with in your truck. Like me, I get on TikTok. I actually was editing a video while I was been waiting and downloading footage from my GoPro to my phone. But man, shout out to everybody, man. Thank y'all for watching this video. Hope y'all enjoyed, man. And I hope when this video over that you click on another video so you can keep watching, man. As y'all know, I'm dropping videos every 2 days. So hey, y'all got to watch them. Now if I drop them, you got to watch them. It's your boy Big E, and y'all know what we doing. We logging, man.